Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First we need to enable the option to take a screenshot, so let's press and hold the menu button to open the menu. After you open the menu, use the up or down buttons to scroll through the menu and find the system option. It's at the bottom of the list. Select the system and press the GPS button. Now scroll down, find the hotkey or hotkeys option, select it and press the GPS. And here we have the list of hotkeys, as you can see. We can select one, for example, let's select GPS plus up, so this one and this one. Once you select the hotkey, press the GPS to enter, and now you can select the you can assign the action to this shortcut. So if you press both buttons, so I'm gonna select the screenshot option and press the GPS. So now the screenshot is assigned to GPS plus up. So if we go to the screen we want to capture, for example, watch face, and press the hotkey we assigned to screenshot, so menu plus, or rather up plus GPS, press and hold them. After a second or two, you should get the message screenshot taken. This means that the screenshot was taken and it's gonna be saved on your watch. And to access the screenshot, you need to plug in your watch to a computer, and there you can open the folder, the Garmin folder from your watch, and in that folder there should be screenshot folder, and in the screenshot folder you should see your screenshots. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.